One of the hottest hair color trends that we're seeing all over TikTok is the look of cherry cola hair. This hair color can range from a variety of bold, bright red to a more muted or faded purple. It really all depends on your personal preference and just how bold you want to go. Today's video will feature a variety of cherry cola inspired hair colors. So if you have been thinking of dyeing your hair this bold red hue, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hot hairstyles, looks, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have the look by Sophie Hannah. She's doing a DIY hair color of the trend. She's going to be going with a bolder red variation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. I love how bright red this is. So pretty. And I love the makeup look that she paired with the color. And then we have someone going with more of a burgundy cherry cola look. Now you can DIY this hair color yourself, or you can of course go to the salon. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Loving this beautiful burgundy hue. Red is also one of those hair colors that's not too hard to maintain. And most often you don't have to get bleached hair first in order to do it. It just depends on the color that you're going for. So here we have someone else at the salon getting their coloring done. Now the stylist did bleach the hair for this one in order to achieve those results. She does have darker roots and more of that burgundy towards the bottom portion of the hair. Absolutely gorgeous way to rock the trend. And then we have another bright red here. This one features some really nice dimension, gorgeous layers in the cut. And then we have the look in the form of a pixie. Very nice gloss and sheen on that one. Very nice. Wow. I really like the dimension that the stylist created as well. And then we do have a more muted variation of the trend. Followed by Sophie Hannah once again. So this time she mixed up the color with blonde in the front, giving like a nice little money piece highlight look. This is a really pretty color combo. So she did a half up, half down style. 2 braids in the front. Very cute. And I love her eye makeup once again. And that lip is just gorgeous with the hair. So pretty. And then we see a dimensional take on the trend. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Followed by someone rocking natural curly hair. And then we have someone who decided to mix it up with some extensions. Very nice. Then we see a nice muted version of the trend. It's almost purple with this one. And then we have someone doing a DIY. Beautiful. Hers is also very muted as well. Alright you guys, so let me know in the comments below, will you be trying out the cherry cola hair color trend? Leave me your thoughts. Be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you next time.